What's the meaning of coloration? Coloration. Coloration.
Coloration. Coloration. Coloration refers to the quality or condition of having a particular color. It is the process of adding color to something or the way in which something is colored. The result of coloration can vary depending on the context. For example, in nature, coloration can refer to the natural coloring of plants or animals, which can be important for camouflage, warning signals, or attracting mates. In art and design, coloration is used to create visual interest and convey meaning or emotion. Overall, coloration plays an important role in our perception and understanding of the world around us.